In Lab 1, we discussed how to find a threat on your network. In Lab 2, we're going to find how to locate an active threat using Cisco's Threat Grid tool. Okay, this is all this is a lab as well, so this is all created by Cisco. What we're going to do is, here using the search, we can, if we have an idea of what a name, if we have the file name of the actual malware, we can type it in and find it throughout a network. And what we'll do is we'll actually use file name for this lab called invoice. Invoice 1563. Okay, and what we can see is that it's going under the pseudonym getmalware.com file ULR. And the cool thing about Threat Grid, so once you've typed in the actual search query for the infected file, you'll find that it's populated, and whatever else is connected to that file will populate as well. So if we go to getmalware.com, we can see that it has a 100% threat score, when it has started, its duration. We can also see, using the content bar on the left, we can see its indicator. These are behavioral indicators. These indicators are used, they explain what they'll do to the actual system. So Bifrost is a backdoor with more than 10 variants. Bifrost uses the typical server builder, and client backdoor program configuration to allow a remote attacker who uses the client to execute arbitrary code on the compromised machine. So we can see that getmalware.com could potentially come with Bifrost, and that is what we do not want. And we can see that with a threat score of 100, we're probably going to get this. It also comes, so the Bifrost will also come with a process ID, so it'll be process 26. And once you click process 26, it will actually take you down to the process section, and you can click it and see that this file name, this execution file, is where Bifrost actually comes from, where it comes from, the current directory, and so on and so forth. So if you find this, you can kill off the process. You can see more things, artifacts. Artifacts are used to better understand where the malicious virus is coming from.
Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Cisco technology. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And know that Universal IT Technologies is here to provide you your IT needs for a better IT world.